Hello, welcome to North Trail RV, Airstream of South Florida in sunny Fort Myers. This is Bruce Tall Guy Miller with the third edition of Airstream Owners Tips and Tricks. So let's talk about the Airstream windows. These windows have been used by Airstream for many, many years. These windows are actually made right at the Airstream factory by Airstream. They're a great design. They did deviate on a couple of models here and there and use some hair windows, which are a good product. But these windows that Airstream makes are really nice. One advantage is the way they open in a jealousy type fashion is you can have them open in the rain. Unless it's a driving rain and a blowing wind, you can have these open during a rain and have no issues at all. So let's talk about how they work. First off, we've got these little latches at the bottom here, and we're going to pull these out and then turn them down. Now we're going to lift the window by pulling up on these knobs. By the way, these knobs are just on there with pressure. So if you ever pull one off, don't worry about it, just slide it back on and they'll turn a little bit. But you simply lift, you find the notch that you want to put it in and you shove it out. There's a notch right here you can see. And that's actually the middle position right there. So if I want it open all the way, I lift it up, slide it out, that's full open. This is middle. This is the low position. Now, Airstream tells you this is a 3-position window, but as an owner, the tip I'm going to give you is it's actually a 4-position window. Simply turn these back up, lower it down gently, and now you have the window cracked. So it's really that simple. If you ever go to open this window and it feels like it's stuck, do not force it. These windows, actually the glass when they make them at the factory kind of seals to the rubber. And just break it loose out there with a credit card. I keep an old Amazon gift card, just pop it loose, run around there, and then it'll pop right open. If you force it, you run the risk of shattering the window. It's safety glass, it'll break into a million pieces. The way to keep that from happening long term is to treat that rubber gasket. The product I like to use is Aerospace 303. Unlike a lot of rubber and vinyl treatments, it will not over time make the rubber brittle. It'll make that gasket last a long time. Spray a little bit of it on a cloth, wipe it on that gasket, do a spring and fall, and your window will never stick. So that's how easy these windows are to operate. One nice thing about them too is if you have the ocean air blinds, you actually can pull it down here and hook it, or you can hook it right there. Of course, that will vary a little bit if you have the window open, but it does give you some options in the models that have these windows and the ocean air blinds. The classics have a different blind system, but the window is actually the same. So there you have it. That's another Airstream Owners Tips and Tricks on the windows. Give us a call anytime. Again, I'm Bruce Tall Guy Miller. You can reach me anytime at 937-725-2433, or you can email me at bruce.miller@northtrailrv.com. So from Airstream of South Florida in sunny Fort Myers, have a great day.